and the people of Kenya must get justice. And I want the people of Kenya to understand one small thing. Ndio tukaenda kwa koti tukanyimwa haki. Ndio tukanyimwa haki na IBC na hiyo ikamalizika. Alafu whistleblower akaja na results. Na hizo results tukiziangalia ni za ukweli. Madai yetu ni chache. Open the server. Kama ulichaguliwa tudhibitishe. Kama hukuchaguliwa tukufagilie nje. Lakini you have to open the server. You are a coward, William Ruto. Why do you get the police to fight against Kenyans? Why do we have to be robbed with tear gas when we are doing a lawful activity demonstrating? Mumeona kwa runinga, in the nation of France, they were demonstrating almost daily. Millions of people, no tear gas. Just here, South Africa. They demonstrated no tear gas. In Kenya, we are demonstrating. Violence occurs when the police come to fight, to meet brutality on the people. Yesterday, we would have ended without incident. On Monday in Kibra, we would have ended without incident. Police come with tear gas and live ammunitions.